Alright, a couple other quick tips on installing this Coolmaster 120M. You're going to want to connect this pump to the fan, like case fan plug-in. That is to make sure that the pump is always running, and the cable that runs to the case fan here, called CPU fan, will plug into the CPU fan, which on my motherboard is back here. So fan to CPU and cooling pump to the case fan. And another little thing that I found nice about this 120M is this plumbing here will actually rotate. When I went to put in my power supply, these were standing straight up and getting kind of crimped, and I noticed one started to move, so then I realized that you can, hopefully this is right, but you can just kind of twist these up and down, so kind of lay them sideways so the power supply isn't going to kink the top of this cooling pipe. All right, hope that helps as well.